Clownfish. Clownfish are omnivores. They feed on small invertebrates like zooplankton and love to eat algae. Hippo. Hippos can run faster than humans on land despite their huge size. Lobster. Lobsters taste food with tiny sensors on their legs and claws. Llama. Llamas hum softly to communicate with each other. Sheep. Sheep can recognize up to 50 other sheep's faces and remember them for years. Pufferfish. Some pufferfish create beautiful underwater sand patterns to attract mates. Shark. There are around 500 species of sharks. The largest shark species is the great white shark. Giraffe. Giraffes only need about 30 minutes of sleep a day. Red fox. Red foxes use the Earth's magnetic field to help them pounce on prey. Toucan. A toucan's big beak helps keep it cool in hot weather. Frog. There are around 7,000 species of frogs and toads. Lion. Lions are the only big cats that live in groups called prides. Dolphin. Dolphins can see with sound by using echolocation. Polar bear. A polar bear's fur is not white, it's actually transparent. Starfish. Starfish don't have a brain, but they can still move and hunt. Dog. Dogs dream when they sleep, just like people. Turtle. Some turtles can breathe through their bottoms when underwater. Zebra. Baby zebras are called foals. Camel. Camels store fat, not water, in their humps. Gorilla. Gorillas laugh when they are tickled. Squid. Some species, such as the Humboldt squid, can reach up to 6 feet. Tiger. Tigers can weigh up to 660 pounds. Brown bear. Brown bears can eat up to 90 pounds of food in one day, before hibernation.